Well, so the whole intent of my channel was to, since I like reading, to I have that's what I have a collection of over 1500 books. So I thought, whatever I read, I like to just condense it into a short form and speak about it on my channel. So there's a lot of this information, yeah, with regard to conception. Like, did you know this, that a good-looking couple has two-third more chance of having a baby girl than a baby boy, because it is like mother nature. uh, good looking genes are more likely to pass on to women than to men. So basically there are more good looking women on the planet than men. So no, from a very scientific point of view, evolution, like, good looking genes go on to women mostly. So good looking couples tend to have daughters. So my parents had three daughters. So yeah, so we have one good looking family. No, my sisters are very pretty. But the thing is, and also, did you know this, that um, yeah, like, with regard this particular theory, you can even see it at weddings. Yeah, the boys side and the girl side, if they are on stage, if you kind of take a look at both the sides, invariably the girl side will be better looking. And especially, like, unless of course the boys side, he has like two sisters, three sisters, and then he's the only boy. But 9 out of 10 times it will be the girl side who's better looking, simply since that genes factor. So yeah, so this sort of yarn is also very, it's interesting, right? So that's what, it's already a long video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.